Greetings, fellow nerds. Grim Fury here, and it's Tuesday, and guess what? I got my next loot crate in the mail. Actually, it showed up probably about 4 or 5 days ago, but that's neither here nor there. I saved it, so it's still unopened. So that means I'm going to open it here for you, and we get to see together what's inside. And of course, it's brought by lootcrate.com. So, what do you say we go ahead and open this up, see what's inside? Maybe we got some really good stuff with us this time. We'll have to wait and see. Unfortunately, our friend Xabi Maru can't be with us today, so we're just going to use my normal little purple knife. What? Oh, I kid. Of course he's here. You don't think I'd open a loot crate without Xabi Maru, do you? I know you're probably thinking to yourself, it's a sword, where could it have gone? Not like I ran him out or anything like that. So, tendonitis is a little mad at me today, so it's not exactly as easy to wield him as normal. Oh, there we go. Alright. Put Xabi back over there. Alright. Let's see what we got inside. I know I'm hoping for some really good stuff in here. And here we go. Alright, let's see. Well, we got a few little things in here. First off, we have... says adult collectible, not a toy, Ghostbusters slimed figure. Let's see. So we're gonna need this after all. Let's see what we got. It is. Guess that's supposed to be. Ooh, Peter Venkman, I guess. I really can't tell. Just his name tag is so small to me. It comes with a Slimer. I like the Slimer. So it looks like the Slimer is supposed to attach to the back, and let's see if I can get him to get on this base. Maybe he goes on this way. There we go. Well, I think it is kind of cute. But that's what we got. Oops. And we'll just give him a little turn. There's Slimer. And he just kind of plugged right into the back of the, whatever you call it, proton pack. And it comes with a little base that looks like slime. But I guess it's supposed to be Venkman. Let's see if I can get it. I don't know if you'd be able to even read his name tag or not. I can't without using something to magnify it. But anyways, that's him, and that's actually kind of cute. I actually like that. So I'm actually going to set him right over here. Alright. So let's see if we can't get this at least stuck back in the box. Alright. Next we have another adult collectible, not a toy. Jaws Drainstopper. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. Alrighty. Oh, it's just, well, like it said, a drain stopper. Put it over your drain. I guess you would use that in your tub. You sure wouldn't want to use it in your sink, because it would just get in the way. I'm not entirely sure how a drain stopper would be considered a collectible, but I guess if you collect Jaws memorabilia, then it would be. This one, yeah, this one, I'm not real impressed with it, so. Because, I mean, now, if it would have been more, you know, had different colors in it, then I probably would have liked it a lot more. But as is, no, this is an eh for me. Alright, next we have, a hardbound book. The League of Regrettable Superheroes, the Loot Crate Edition. And it's a hardbound book. There's the front and there's the back. Let's just crack it open and just look at one. Nightmare and Sleepy. That's what page I ended up turning it to. I've always found these kind of things really enjoyable. I mean, way back in the 80s, I used to have the what was it? The Who's Who comic books for the DC Universe, and then there was I can't remember. I think the other one was just called Marvel Universe. But yeah, I used to have all of those. Don't anymore, unfortunately, and I'm sure they're probably worth a pretty penny. Alright, next we have another book, The Legion of Regrettable Supervillains, featuring the 50 strangest supervillains in the history of comics, the Loot Crate Edition. And it's another hardcover. So, even though I don't like to read, this is definitely something that I'm going to look through, and I know I'm going to enjoy, because I've always enjoyed stuff like that. All right, Mr. Skeleton, it says, is the page that I opened it up to. So. Alright, next we have a patch, an iron-on patch, and I have no idea what it goes to. It's cool looking, but I have no idea what it goes to. Alright, looks like we have one more thing. It is a Ghostbusters pin. It is one of those hounds. So, I'm not a big pin collector, but that one's nice. We have news from Atlantis. What is this? Hey Looter, due to a challenge for the throne and growing hostilities between land and sea, or, just production issues, we're sorry to report that the Aquaman Challenge coin originally planned for your Showdown crate has been further delayed. Oh, goody. It will arrive with your next loot crate or be shipped separately if your subscription has expired. We know this isn't an ideal experience, and we sincerely thank you for your continued patience as we work to resolve this issue. Team Loot Crate. Well, as much as I hate to say this doesn't happen very often, apparently they're constantly having problems. So, but you know what? I'm a patient person, and unless they just give me a box of useless, broken, severely out of date junk, I'm not going to be too harsh on them. All right, so this is Nemesis is the theme for this one. This was May 2019's box, and I can tell that it must have been a long week for me. Just because as I open the box, I look at it and I'm thinking, it's just some plain random box, but no, it's supposed to look like the ghost trap from Ghostbusters. And it just clicked. I just happened to look at it and realize what it was, so guess my brain just finally woke up. Oh well. What are you going to do? Anyways, let's get back to the description. Alright, I'm going to take my glasses off so I can actually read this stuff. Alright, Nemesis, May 2019. For every great hero, there must be a worthy adversary. This month, dark forces are gathering. You need a comma in there, people. Dark forces are gathering, forcing you to face your nemesis with a villainous collection of gear from Ghostbusters, Jaws, and more. Exclusive Ghostbusters Slimed figure. Cool 80s special effects, a ton of quotable lines, and of course, a catchy theme song. Celebrate the 35th anniversary of Ghostbusters with this exclusive figure featuring Venkman. Played by Bill Murray, with the Ghostbusters' first supernatural catch/future friend and mascot, Slimer, licensed from Sony, made by Loot Crate. Exclusive Jaws Drain Plug. It's finally safe to get back in the water with this exclusive Jaws Drain Plug. Celebrate the 44th anniversary of the Spielberg masterpiece in the safety of your own tub. Licensed by NBC Universal, made by Loot Crate. Alright. Loot Crate Edition Superbooks. Explore a collection of the most obscure and peculiar characters to ever hit the printed page with a Loot Crate edition of the League of Regrettable Superheroes or the League of Regrettable Supervillains. Already got one of these? Don't worry, we sent you a fun surprise instead. Makes it sound like I was supposed to get one or the other, doesn't it? Oh well, I got both, so it doesn't matter. Looter favorite patch or pin. Prepare for the future with this Blade Runner Tyrell Corporation owl patch. Now I know what it goes to. Or perfect your accessory game with this Pac-Man ghost pin. Alright. Exclusive Ghostbusters Terror Dog pin. For Ghostbusters fans, there's no mistaking the devilish horns and glowing red eyes of the demonic hellhounds, Zool and Vince Clortho. This exclusive Terror Dog pin sure to possess your wardrobe. Licensed from Sony, made by Loot Crate. And that is what that looks like. Let's see if I can get it completely in the shot. You Probably won't be able to read it, but who knows? You might be able to zoom in on it if you really wanted to. All right. Well, that's it, everybody. Short and sweet. Not a lot of stuff in there, but I mean, I'm happy with everything. But like I said, one item. We had the Devil Dog Ghostbusters pin. We had that Blade Runner's patch. Then we had the Legion of Regrettable Supervillains hardcover book. We had the League of Regrettable Superheroes book. Right there. We had the Jaws Drainstopper. And we had the Ghostbusters slimed figure of Peter Venkman with Slimer on the back. He's going to go right back over there. And a little notice that the coin is late again. But other than that, that's it, everyone. And for the most part, all except for one item, I actually really enjoyed what was in here. The Ghostbusters figure was kind of cute, kind of neat, but my favorite items are those two books. Like I said, those are the kind of things I enjoy. I enjoy watching videos about superheroes, supervillains, the popular, the obscure. So that is something right up my alley. So I'm going to call this box a win. So Loot Crate, you know, I'm going to give you a thumbs up, but I'm only going to give you about a B+ on this one just because of that drain plug, which, like I said, would have been a lot better, and I would have actually enjoyed it if it would have been full color. You know, not just, you know, one solid color. Granted, I realize it's silicone. It probably, you know, wouldn't have been, I don't know, maybe it wouldn't have been possible or wouldn't have been cost effective to make it multicolored. But, you know, I don't know. You know, it could have been made out of maybe a different type of material. I don't know, but that's my only complaint about this box for this month. So, anyways, as you know, this was Loot Crate from lootcrate.com. So, if you liked what you saw in here, please go to lootcrate.com and subscribe. They've got all different kinds of boxes to choose from. I'm sure you probably find something in there that you would like. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click on that little bell wherever it is. It's around here someplace. But click the little bell so that way you'll get a notification every time I make a new video. And as most, if not all of you know, I post a new video every Tuesday. Sometimes it doesn't get posted till really, really early Wednesday morning, depending on how long the video takes to render and upload. But at the latest, it will be ready by early Wednesday morning. So anyways, thank you all so very much for joining me. And I hope you'll be here next Tuesday for a new video. And we'll have to wait till then to see what it's going to be about. You just never know. Could be a rant. Could be some kind of unboxing. Won't know until then. So thank you all again for joining me. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. Thank you all for continuing to watch my videos and for your love and support. And comment down below on anything. You can ask a question. Just leave a comment. Leave suggestions. You know, and I will do my absolute best to answer, you know, anything that's put down there. So please feel free to, you know, even just say hi. Let me know, you know, you enjoyed the video, or just, you know, say hi in passing. But anyways, that's it. Take care, everyone. I love you all, and I'll see you next week. Take care of yourselves. Bye, everyone.